here at the campground in the laundry room, just waiting to get my laundry done. And I just thought of a challenge for myself. We have 10 weeks left before we have to arrive at Tennessee to work for Amazon this year. And we got about 8 weeks left at the campground, which I got 8 weeks left in the Major League Baseball season, which I have to work for the Diamondbacks. So then we got 2 weeks after that was our travel to Tennessee, and then we start working for Amazon. This will be our 5th season at Amazon, and it's kind of demanding on your body. If you're not in shape, you're going to be sore. So the idea is to try to get in shape for Amazon, and at the meantime also lose weight, because I gained a whole bunch of weight in the summer. So I don't really have a goal right now. It's not set, but anywhere between 15 and 20 pounds would be perfect. But I'm not setting myself to a goal where if I don't make it, I'm upset. If I do make it, it's like, why didn't I go more weight? So, well, this is, see how it goes. Hopefully I can do it for 10 straight weeks and not give up on myself. The hardest part for me will be soda, because if you know me, it's like I drink a soda and then once it's finished, there's another one right there in my hand. So I'm constantly drinking soda. The other part would be snacking at night when I watch TV or use the computer. It's like constantly subbing food in my mouth, like chips and soda all day long. So those are gonna be the 2 biggest hard parts for me. And hopefully I can do it, because I really need to get in shape for Amazon. I don't wanna arrive and hurt myself or hurt my wrist like I did the 2 years before, and I had to pretty much stop working. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully I can lose my weight. We're day 1 of training. Yeah. Let's see where we're at. Starting at 180.5 pounds. It's kind of hard to quit soda cold turkey, so I got the Sprite, chicken, some pork, some fruit, a lot of fruits and vegetables. Lunch, 2 tuna fish sandwiches, along with some grapes. Today's dinner. This is our salad dressing for today. I'm starting to study Japanese again. The website I'm using is Memrise. And of course I'm starting off at level 1 again, which is real simple words like konnichiwa, sayonara, arigato gozaimashita, kudasai, hai, ie, nihongo, eigo. Pretty much simple words again, but it gets me familiarized with the words I haven't used in a while. And the reason I'm learning Japanese is because my wife, she's Japanese. So that's why I'm learning Japanese again. I could have ran at the campground if I came to Luke Air Force Base instead. It's a little bit better. Gives you more visuals of what you're doing. I walked and I ran for about 27 minutes. Just over 2 miles. But I'll show you next where I really came to the base. Just wanted to show you the reason I came to the base. They have a sauna on base. I had to wait till everybody left before I can record. Pretty nice size. Now I just sweat out what I didn't lose when I'm running. I don't know why they have a spoon. Try not to get his face. This is food only. This is Hiromi's. Got salmon and sushi roll and salad with gohan. We got, what's that, yellowtail? What's this one, yellowtail? And then tuna, California roll, salmon, kani, which is imitation crab, and spicy roll. I'm worried about this one. Looks kind of spicy. Wall of Fame, Steven Seagal, and the Emperor. Pretty cool. It's my dinner. Tofu. I'm gonna have bonito. You have green onions, ginger, and ponzu sauce. And that's the final product. That's what it looks like.
You already recording?
Yeah. There's my lunch. 2 tuna fish sandwich. My water.
Banana? No.
I found this Kool-Aid. Right? You think it's going to be sugary, right? But look, vitamin C, sugar free. Zoom in, get a focus. Only 5 calories. 0 sugar. Today's dinner: pasta with chicken. We got a salad with avocado, tomatoes, and mushrooms. And I'm using my Japanese dressing again. Just going on my evening walk. I'm gonna walk like 2 laps around the park. Usually takes about 17 minutes. I'm taking you to the perfect view right now. The sun's just setting. I forgot to bring my camera to the gym this morning. Well, all I did is I went to Luke Air Force Base and played basketball for 30 minutes. I just got up and shot the ball around. It was the first time I picked up a basketball in 8 years. And then I was done with that. I went into the sauna for about 10 minutes. 1:45 and just about 100 degrees. And we got the pool to ourselves. Alright, we're swimming for, or doing laps, walking back and forth for 30 minutes. And now it's 101 degrees now, in the shade. It's my midday snack, some soy soybean, edamame, frozen, 10 saltine crackers, about 140 calories, and my drink is, I'm trying the orange crush, it's still only 5 calories. Today's dinner is a salad with a whole bunch of vegetables and chicken on top. And I will use my Japanese dressing once again.
Yeah.
I'm at the campground gym. I'm going to do a little bit of cardio. I'm going to walk and run for about 20 minutes. And then today's my first day of implementing the weight training. And it's going to be real light. I don't want to get buff. I just want to get toned. So it's not going to be 400 pound, 200 pound weights. It's going to be like a simple 20, 30 pound weights at max just to get toned. Here we go. Just got done running 2 miles, 28 minutes and 41 seconds. This is the start of this one is a little bit slow. It took a while to get used to it. So that's about where I'm at right now. About 27 minutes to 2 miles, 28 minutes to 2 miles, something like that. Under 30, that's all that counts, right? Less than 15 minutes a mile. And for someone who hasn't ran since he retired 8 years ago, that's pretty good. 28 minutes, 2 miles, a 14-minute mile. For me, that's pretty good. All right, time to hit the weights. Here's my lunch, 2 tuna fish sandwiches and lemonade. It's my dinner for tonight. Okonomiyaki and tofu. I didn't take the camera to the gym again, but I went to Luke Air Force Base. I ran 2 miles, just over 28 minutes. I had a 5-minute walk cool down, and I went to the sauna for 10 minutes. That was my morning workout. I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna go to the pool, do some laps in the pool. Here's my lunch, a peanut butter sandwich, 2 teaspoons, 190 calories. Hiromi and I are gonna share the cauliflower, so I'm not eating all of it. We'll eat maybe half of it each. And lemonade. I'm gonna do my last walk of the week. I'm gonna do 2 laps around the RV park, and that'll be my last exercise before my official weigh-in at the end of the week. After that, then I'll eat dinner. I didn't want to eat dinner and weigh myself and then the weight not be true. So dinner, diced tomatoes, pork, and vegetables. It's going to be over white rice and a small salad. The official end of week weigh-in. I started the week at 180 and a half. I now weigh 168. Oh my goodness, that's 12 and a half pounds that I've lost in the first week. Outstanding. Wow, 12 and a half pounds in a week. Unbelievable. I didn't think I could do it. I was only thinking maybe 7, 8. It wound up being 12. I could not believe it. The biggest thing I think happened was, one, I didn't have to work this week. So I was able to keep myself to a schedule. I was able to wake up, work out. I ate at exactly the same time every day. I had dinner exactly the same time every day. So it was pretty much easy to keep a schedule. Next week is a different story. I have to work. More on that next week. Like I said, my two biggest concerns was, one, soda. And I love soda, but I kept myself to one soda a day. Usually it was with dinner, and then 3 of those days I couldn't even finish it myself. I had to share it with Hiromi. So basically we shared a soda 3 nights, and I had 4 the other day by myself. And the other big issue I had was snacking after dinner at night. When I was studying Japanese and I was working on editing these videos, I kept my brain busy, so I didn't have time to grab anything because my hands were always busy, my thoughts were out. I didn't have any time to grab anything, so I was able to do it without it at all. Some of the meals were so great. Keeping to a single portion was kind of hard. I mean, there was times I wanted seconds, but I was like, nope, no seconds. Put it in the fridge, have it for lunch tomorrow. But yeah, unbelievable. 12 and a half pounds in my first week. And if I can do it, I'm sure anybody can do it. This program was so easier than I thought it was. I did find some things that didn't work for me, so I'm going to change them up next week. And starting next week, I'll show my program and my process on a spreadsheet that I haven't officially put out yet, but I'll put it out starting next week. All right. See you guys next week.